If you've ever looked up a video to learn something only to find out that the buttons, tools, and menus in the video were too small to make out easily, you know how frustrating that can be. To help prevent having the same problems in your own videos, you should use the Zoom and Pan tool. Let's view a video where the Zoom and Pan tool was not used. When you have a large image with a small subject in it, you may want to get rid of some of the outside information. Doing that is called cropping. You can crop in Photoshop by using the crop tool. To do so, go to the Tools menu and choose the Crop tool. When you see the dotted lines appear around the image, then you can start doing your cropping by clicking and dragging from the edges. Once you've got it the way you want it, you need to go up to the Image menu and choose Crop. Although all the information was there, it was kind of hard to follow. Now let's see how to use the Zoom and Pan tool in your own videos. To get started, find a place in your video where you'd like to zoom in to show more detail. Then go to the Animations tab on the left menu, click it, and make sure you're in the Zoom and Pan area. Choose one of the circles on the bounding box and keep dragging until you get it zoomed to the point that you want it to be. Now if you want to pan, you can click inside the box and drag it up or down or in any directions that you choose. Once you've done this, you'll see on your timeline that you have an arrow that indicates motion, and if you use the playhead, you can move back to see where it started and where it ends up. Now a question you might have is, I've got it this big, now I want to make it small again. So if you move over your playhead over just a little bit and click on the Scale to Fit button, it'll take it back down to regular size, and you'll see you've got another arrow here that indicates the motion going from large to small. Now if you want to make these arrows be longer or shorter, all you have to do is click and drag them. So you could make it zoom in very quickly to the point you want, and then zoom back out very slowly. Now, view the same video with the zoom and pan effects added. When you have a large image with a small subject in it, you may want to get rid of some of the outside information. Doing that is called cropping. You can crop in Photoshop by using the Crop tool. To do so, go to the Tools menu and choose the Crop tool. When you see the dotted lines appear around the image, then you can start doing your cropping by clicking and dragging from the edges. Once you've got it the way you want it, you need to go up to the Image menu and choose Crop. Zooming in on the buttons and menus made it a lot easier to follow. The recording was the same, and the audio was the same. The only difference is the addition of the zoom and pan effects. If you have any questions, please contact Learning Technology Services and someone will assist you.